I'm washing the leaves now. Make sure you wash it thoroughly under a running tap. This is African dish 101. We want to show you how to prepare moi moi with leaves, which will give you the real African taste. To prepare our moi moi, we need beans. Already, the beans has been washed, it has been peeled and washed and blended. Need that, pepper, chili pepper with onions. We blend it together to give us the blended beans. We need boiled fish. Right now I'm using Titus fish, already flaked, salt to taste, seasoning, vegetable oil and water with our leaves. So let's prepare our moi moi. Make sure you cream your moi moi very well. For this size of beans, blended beans, you add 250 ml of vegetable oil. Stir very well. Then we add our flaked fish. Meanwhile, before you add the seasoning cube to this mixture, I will need to use hot water to dissolve the seasoning cube. For 650 grams of beans, we need 6 cubes of our seasoning cubes and a 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm dissolving the seasoning cube and the salt in hot water. Then I will add it to my mixture. As you can see, the mixture is okay. We will not need to add any water, else it will be watery. This is the most important part in making our moi moi, to get the real African taste and flavor. As you can see, the moi moi leaves is thoroughly washed under a running tap. You have to fold your leaf carefully. If you have a big leaf or large leaf, you can make use of one. Watch out. Fold carefully. You can use any dip spoon you like. for easy portioning. And then you fold this way. So easy. You can make use of 2 leaves if you have a smaller leaf. You join together like this, put it by the side, fold this way, just as you are using 1 leaf. Cover it with this first side and then you fold. In case you didn't get the folding the first time, let me show you again. You fold it, you bend your leaf to the left side or the right side, depending on how you can maneuver your hand. Then this downward part, in order to keep the moi moi from pouring away, you fold. Hope you are watching me very carefully. And then you fold it this way again, from the right hand side to the left hand side. Then you bend the leaf. Finally, let me show you how to make use of 2 leaves. Put the other one by the side. You fold to the left hand side and to the right hand side. Then you bend it. Moi Moi is properly safe. Now our beans is properly wrapped. The next thing is to steam it for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, water is already in our pot to steam the moi moi. Before that, you arrange some leaves in the pot to prevent our moi moi from sticking to the pot. Make sure you arrange carefully. As you can see, we have arranged our moi moi carefully into the pot. Then you are allowed to steam for 30 minutes. By now, our moi moi should be ready. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and also share and like our videos. Thank you.